Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag Dishwasher Tub Inlet Gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Tub Inlet Gasket. The Tub Inlet Gasket seals the water inlet to the tub. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged, you're getting water leaking on the floor. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. We're going to pull the lower rack out and set it aside. Now that we have the rack out of the way, we have to take the nut off that holds the inlet to the tub. It's on the left-hand side. It's kind of a big nut, so we're going to use the adjustable pliers to reach in and carefully break it free. Once you have it started, you just reach in, use your hand, unscrew it. Once you have it off, you can pull it out. Now we're going to pull the dishwasher out halfway so we can access the inlet. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws, hold the dishwasher to the cabinet. Now that we have the screws out, we can lift up the dishwasher door and use it to carefully pull the dishwasher out a little bit. Once you have it out a little bit, you can grab the frame and pull it out halfway so we can access the inlet. Now that we have the dishwasher out, we can get the insulation out of the way. And now that we have access to the inlet, we're just going to pull it out a little bit, flip it around. Once you have it flipped over, we can take a small flathead screwdriver to help pull the gasket off the threads. And if you have any residue on the tub, make sure you clean that off. Here's the old tub inlet gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new tub inlet gasket on, all you have to do is line it up on the inlet, push it down past the threads. Once you have it seated, you can turn it around and put it back through the tub opening. Once you have it in place, you can let the insulation down. We can push the dishwasher back in. To push the dishwasher back in, we're just going to carefully push it back in to the cabinet. Once you have it in, we can open up the door and use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Now we're back on the inside. We're going to put the nut on and tighten it down. Once you have it snug, you can grab the adjustable pliers and tighten it down so you get a good seal. Once you have it tightened down, we can put the rack back in. To put the rack back in, all you have to do is set it on the door and push it back in. Once you have it in, you can close the door. Then we can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.